Welcome back to the Savings Channel. Here we have just a regular hot water heater. Water comes into it, and all day long it sits there and cooks. And you're using electricity unless you're using a water timer. Now this happens, it's got this dial in there, and you put these little pins in there that cut it on and off at specific times. I'm resetting mine. Mine will go off around 10 o'clock and come on around 4 o'clock. And that way it just isn't on just running all day long. Hot water heater is probably one of the biggest consumers of electricity in the house. But with just a little bit of planning on family's part, and you can gradually cut down the water heat on there a little bit to help with some of those costs. And can't go too far too fast, or it will freeze people out. They have to get their bodies used to it. But this water heater and getting it timer, getting it installed was the cost of water heater was somewhere around $50 maybe, the timer, and the getting installed was $75. So it's well worth it, and had it in for many years, and it's been reliable for as many years as I've had it in. Thanks for stopping by the Savings Channel. Come back and let's save some more. God bless.